Meaning of defining.
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 Defining. Defining refers to the process of accurately stating or explaining the meaning, nature, scope, or boundaries of a particular concept, idea, term, or expression. It involves the identification of essential characteristics, features, or qualities that distinguish the subject matter from other similar or related concepts. Defining helps in clarifying understanding, promoting consistency, and facilitating communication among individuals or groups who share a common interest or goal. The result of defining is a clear and concise statement that accurately captures the essence and significance of the subject matter in question.